What's up, you guys? Jeffrey Benson right here. I'm super excited to bring you a brand new video today. So in today's video, I just want to walk you through my current day trading. I'm still trading the trader funded program, and I'm currently on my phase 2, and I'm already up about $7,000. So let me show you the account metrics that I've got so far. So that's the only major reason why I'm making this video, though. I'm making this video because it's not here. I have to open that. I'll just put that up in no time. So first, let me show you what I'm currently looking at on this chart, GBP USD. So first thing this morning, we caught this move from here to the upside. So we got entries from here, and we traded it to the upside, and we hop out somewhere around here. So we had a drop down because it's a corrective movement. So all I always want to do is to make sure I hop on when price is actually making sense, when I can just have an easy ride and drop. So I'll share this one on the Telegram channel. Yes, we did share this on the Telegram channel. I'm coming out. I'll pull it up in no time, like right here. I think we have it right here. So check on the screen here, on the screen. So right here on, I've shared a lot of stuff today. So this is a signal that I dropped very early. Okay, this is for yesterday. 14th February, this is for yesterday. So I dropped this today. Yeah, I dropped this just before it happened. So after this, then we had this move immediately. So I only had to enter 2 positions, and my stop loss was exactly right at this point. Okay, so that's what we have today. So already we are waiting for this one, just a correction up until this point. Why I didn't get in here is we are waiting for an AW pattern. So this is the first leg. I'm waiting for the second leg. So once I come into somewhere around this region, then we are going to be going long. Not just that, I've made a video on trend line and all of that thing. So we have a lot of conferences like trend line corroborating that. So I'm just waiting for a bearish move, an aggressive bearish move. Then I'm going to be hopping. So let me open the funded trader stuff. So you can see my, what's it called, my dashboard, what I'm currently up on. Okay, so it's pretty very neat. I'm up about $7,000 already, and I'm to make $20,000. Can you see this one? Can you see this part where I'm to make $20,000? So, but I'm already up of about $7,000. So I should just make it up. Note, I wasn't just in profit when I started. At some point, I was in loss. I went down into small loss, like I was down of about $1,200 US. From there, I started moving up. I came back down again. Now I am back up. So this is just one day that I've traded. Today making the second day, and I already have 82% win rate. So you don't look at this win rate just yet because I've not placed enough trades for you to judge if this win rate is accurate. So to know my exact win rate, I have to look at my previous challenge where I've placed a lot of trades. So my exact win rate here says 61%. So this is only phase 1 that I passed. So it should be around just that range. So that's how I judge it. You don't judge your win rate by 3 trades, 10 trades, or even just 20 trades. You have to judge like hundreds upward. What you are able to average in a month, in 3 months, in 1 year. So that's how you judge your win rates. So do not just judge yourself by the few losses you are making or the few wins you are currently having. All right. So another thing I also want to let you guys know is do not have FOMO. Don't hop on trades. You always have to wait for price to come to your zone. Yeah, you have to wait for price to come to your exact zone where you're waiting for it. Like I already missed I missed this entry legitly. So, but I won't enter at this point because that would be too expensive. That would be too expensive of a price for me to start buying. So I want price to come back down again to this extent. Then that's when I'm going to be hopping on. So that's what I'm just currently looking at. So see you guys until price started unfolding, or maybe when I start getting in, I'll let you guys know. All right, see you. All right, so right now you can already see on the chart, we just in a few minutes after making that first version of the video, we had price move down here. All right, I'm still not panicking. I'm still not in. Not until we start seeing the week exact what it wants to do. I have to wait for another candle to open so that I'll be sure of the move. So I'm still patiently waiting. So, but one thing that I'm confident of, price will most likely go up. You have more chances of going up at this point. So if I see multiple week rejection again at this point, then I'm going to be getting in. But right now, I'm not getting in yet. I'm still watching. I'm holding on. All right? So that's how the patient part works. Now, here's how I'm thinking. You guys always have to be focused on how I'm thinking because that's where the success comes from. Unsuccessful trader and successful trader. Like, no FOMO, no fear. Oh, Jeff, you're missing out. No. I'm also carrying my team along, my mentees. They also tell them, don't get in here. When it's time for me to get in, I will let you guys know. So I'm not letting them know so that they can just make up profit. I'm letting them know so that they can as well see the thinking process, how to know when to get in, when candles are telling you to get in. So I'm just going to walk you guys through the process today, which is what we call chart pattern and candlesticks behavior. This is the exact price action that we are talking about, price action. All right, so stay tuned. So right here, I currently have this entry coming back to my box. So that's where I went long. Now look at my chart on my phone right now on my MT4. So right here, you see when price immediately got to this point, I got in on 4 standard, 10 standard, 4 standard, 4 standard. So that's what I have. So far, so good. And I'm up over about $1,900 already. So let me just add one more position. So right now, this is where I'm going to be talking about stacking. So price already moving really fast. I want to get in with 4 standards. Now, if you want to know the reason why I'm getting with 4 standards, head straight to my website and come in on the mentorship, guys. That's the rule on stacking, yeah? I'll keep getting in with 4 stand. Okay, now I can go with 10 standards with the belief that what I have at the bottom will be able to cater for the losses that it might bring, okay? That the losses that it might bring. So this is 10 standards I'm going to get into. So now you may be wondering, where's the stop loss? It's time for us to put in the stop loss. It's very simple. Stop loss would be somewhere around here, 1.35191. So that's what I'm going to put on the stop loss. So I'm going to do that off the camera so that we don't make this video too long, all right? So 0.35191. That's it. Thank you very much. All right, so guys, that's how I just basically trade. Thank you. What's up, you guys? Today it's a brand new day. Yesterday I recorded why I closed because I closed in loss. Currently down about a very small amount, like $6,000 on my account right now. So it's a new one. Just have a look at this point. So price got to this point, reject off the high of the week. But this I actually thought it was going to be a buy before now. But right now, seeing this high and low of the week and seeing how this candle reject at this point, it's forming an M, and there's a candlestick about to be broken right here. So hence, my bias changed. So that's all it has. It just take in Forex market. It's all about flexibility. You have to know when bias is changing. You have to know when price is about to reverse and don't hold on to one buyer. So every time, I just have an open mind. Whatsoever confluences I see more that tilt to my direction, that's what I go with. All right, so that's it. Let's see how this plays out. Already, I have my entries stacked. I just have just a few positions. You can see entries at that top, right? And you see stop loss at this top too. So it's well protected. So let's watch. I'm just risking less than 15 pips. So if this goes in my favor, good. But if it doesn't, I'm still very good. So that's it. See you when trades start playing out. So here's the update on this video. Right here, you can see price already tanking. So when this price moved up a little bit, that's when we should be entering. This is the entering threshold. So upon this push, you can see multiple week rejection that I always talk about. Multiple week rejection. And this looked like exactly like an M. Exactly like an M is here. So price moved up, came back down. This is what the M. So this is where you should be getting it. So whenever I send trade, this is the first leg. All right. Why this is the second leg? First leg, you might have a drawdown. There are times that this may actually offshoot to this point before it start dropping. So that's why it only makes sense you enter in on the second leg. We get in on the second leg, which is what we just did. Second leg, because we don't want drawdown at all. All right. We're trying to eliminate drawdown. So price is sure definitely going to move at least to somewhere here. I know it might even be more than, yeah. So that's what we're currently looking at. So you look at my entry. I know this was what's really important to you guys. You want to see these are my entries. So upon price moving up, I had to add new entries. Okay, I added new entries and I even add 10 standards to my stacking and all of that. But I'm still not risking more than in total like 15 pips from where I get in. And that red line at the top. Okay, so that's where the stop losses are. And let's see. I'm up about 2,300. I told you guys I was down with $6,000, so my account dropped to 394. All right, so that's it. All right, see you guys. Right now, I see some uncertainties in the forex market, so I want to start exiting right now. It is the best time because price is back at this psychological level 1.3500. So it's the way this week rejection is already happening. I have to exit and maybe look for a new re-entry. So I already exited one position, so that way you can see my drawdown is reducing. And I made some drawdown. As you already see, yesterday I made some losses. So I'm already recouping back all of this things. So I'm back again at my initial startup capital, which is about $401,000. So I will just watch for re-entry. It's already New York session. So New York session always have another entry for me. So very soon I should be watching for maybe a buy entry or a new sell entry. I just keep a very neutral mind. I don't try to predict what price will do. Instead, I just react. Okay, so you have to keep that as a mindset too. All right. So I'll still keep you guys updated. So if this is the last trade today, I'll just make a conclusion and still let you guys know. But for now, let's keep the fire peeping. So guys, this is the conclusive part of this video. I missed this move. I saw the move when it was actually here. I wanted to just go long, waiting for this candle to close, but immediately this how to shoot up. So I already missed the entry. I'm not getting in for today anymore. So look at what I have already. So today I closed out with 7,900 US dollar profit, and that brings me back to the entry threshold where I was. So that's it for today. I'm just gonna keep it slow and steady. I'm not gonna rush things. So, but on my account metrics, you can just have a look at the account metrics. I was at some point up of about that's $7,000 on this account already, but I came back down to about 30,094. Now I'm up again. So just taking it slow and steady. Since I'm to make $20,000, so I see no need to be rushing because I have more days to accomplish this. But I'm very sure this week I should complete this challenge, and that should be it for today. So guys, make sure you allow your trading to always play out. If your target is already missed, you just leave it, call it a day, and you come back the next time and you can keep on trading, because the next day your mind is refreshed, you're having a new psychology, so you're not in a hurry to meet a particular target. You're just doing your thing and doing it at ease. All right, so guys, that's it, and bye for now. Peace out. Make sure you watch the other video, subscribe, like, turn on post notification, and bye for now.